Good morning, students of class 9. You are welcome back to the e-classes now. Forest transformation in Java 4.4 War and Deforestation. So now let's talk about this and try to understand, follow it. Number one, the First and the Second World Wars. There were two world wars, First and Second World Wars. It had a major impact on the forest. Not only in one country, all over the country, around the world. Forests were cleared for various reasons. The forest were cleared for many reasons, like building ships, railway tracks, and not to let enemies hide in the forest. That's why they started clearing the forest near the road. So number two, in India, first we'll talk about India, then we'll talk about Java. In India, working plants were abandoned at that time. Abandoned means left out. And the forest department cut trees freely to meet British war needs. So the trees were felled in great number. That is in India. Now let us talk about in Java. Just before the Japanese occupied the region. So that means Java was also occupied by the Japanese. But before the Japanese occupied the region, the Dutch were ruling there. The Dutch followed the scorched earth policy. What is the meaning of scorched earth policy? Means destroying sawmills. The Dutch, they started destroying their own sawmills and burning huge piles and heaps of giant teak logs so that they would not fall into Japanese hand. That's why they started burning their own property and the pile of teak and the sawmills. They destroyed everything and burnt so that it will not fall into Japanese hand. So number four, the Japanese then exploited. The Japanese came and the Japanese exploited the forest. They started cutting the forest recklessly. Recklessly means carelessly, for their own war industries and forcing the forest villagers to cut down forest. So in this way the Japanese came and Japanese also exploited the forest, and the Dutch, they moved towards the south, and this happened towards the north of Vietnam. So now to be continued, we'll be doing more in our next class. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't waste your time. Keep on studying at home.